Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. I woke up and I'm ready for some breakfast. I'm about to make me some tea to go along with my breakfast. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, baby, let's go make me some tea. Whew. Here I have a lovely patch of pineappleweed, Matricaria matricarotes, Asteraceae family, the sunflower family. It be growing all by itself. I don't be doing nothing. It's a tough and resilient plant that can be found on roadsides, fields, and yards. It's an annual native that is found in Northeast Asia as well as North America. It be looking like chamomile, but it's without the petals, and of course it has the pineapple smell. And this plant actually has some health benefits. It can be used as a sleep aid, reduces fever, boosts immune system, improves skin health, suits digestive system, lowers stress levels. But it also has some side effects such as allergic reactions, skin inflammation, and upset stomach. So just use it in small amount and see how your body reacts to it. So here I am picking the blossoms. You want to focus on the flowers because the foliage lacks the scent and taste of the flowers. I think I got a good amount here. And here is my lovely Chloe. She actually likes to eat the leaves of pineappleweed. And here's how much I'm going to be using. And since herbs, they are 80 to 90% water, I'm going to be using a large amount. If it was going to be dried up, drying would have concentrated the flavor and I would have used much less. So here I am pouring it in my lovely cup. Looking good. And I'm going to be rinsing it. I'll be rinsing it to make sure that there ain't be no insects or anything like that. Who knows? And my water be ready. Me pouring it in and right away, you guys, it be smelling nice and pineapple-y. Just fill it up all the way to the top and cover it up. You can let it be and infuse for like 5 to 10 minutes. I personally did it for 10 minutes, but you could do it less. So since 10 minutes passed, it's tea time. I uncovered it. I mean, looking good. And this is why I love my cup, you guys. It just lifts up and all the liquid just goes down. But I also like to use a small little spoon to squeeze the liquid all the way out. And believe it or not, I do not put anything in my tea. No sugar, no honey. I like it plain, but you guys do how you guys like it. And here's my lovely setup. I got some avocado and some toast and some parsley and some onion from the garden, but I do not got no footage for the parsley. But I do have for the onion as well as the spinach. Organic, of course, and just amazing. Here I am enjoying my lovely breakfast on this lovely sunny morning. Going in for that tea. Nice, flavorful, aromatic. And there's your time's up, you guys. Just moved to the shade to enjoy my last slice of amazing avocado and my banana as well, and my tea, guys. Amazing. And that is a wrap for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it useful. And yeah, if you guys see some pineappleweed, make some tea out of it and try it out. And yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.